Chime Personal Loan Honest Review. Watch before using. You won't believe how many people take high-interest loans without checking better options first. And that is exactly why Chime Personal Loans deserve a closer look. Chime is known as a mobile-first financial platform, and its personal loan option is designed to be simple, fast, and transparent. Here's what most people get wrong. They assume all personal loans come with confusing fees and long approval times. Chime aims to keep the process quick and straightforward. Chime personal loans are typically offered to existing Chime members. The application is done directly in the app. There are no hidden origination fees, and repayment is handled automatically from your account. Loan amounts usually range in the low to mid-thousands, making them ideal for emergencies, debt consolidation, car repairs, or unexpected bills. The surprising truth is that your banking history with Chime can influence approval, not just your credit score. This helps some users qualify even if their credit is not perfect. Payments are fixed, and you can see your monthly amount upfront before accepting the loan. That transparency helps people avoid surprises. Chime loans are best for members who need fast access to manageable short-term credit. If you want a clean, digital borrowing experience without the typical loan stress, Chime personal loans are worth considering. Subscribe to the channel for more honest loan and banking reviews.